Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You see, if for the first time you watch a channel here, please subscribe, you know what I mean? And remember, subscribe is free to subscribe. Just click the button, free, you know, charge you. You know what I mean? It just indicate that we are the good and the channel will go up. You know what I mean? And click notification bell, that means that next time something upload, you'll be first to know, say, yo, there's a new movie. But if not, you have to get the notification, check the channel all the while. You know what I mean? Tell a friend as we go. You know what I mean? So watch a movie, there's lesson to be learned as we go along. Alright, and apart from that now, there is a female that I want to introduce you to, right? Yeah, and if you're in the Florida area in America, anywhere in America, sell or buy house or anything like that, this lady is a lady that deal with that, you know, so I like for you to get in touch with her, check out our website, you know what I mean? Because so we have to encourage each other. So if you want a house to buy or sell, I think say the best person for you to talk to, you know what I mean? Hyacinth Elliott, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, tell her it's me send you know what I mean? Contact her. Her number is there too, you can call her and talk to her, you know what I mean? And go up on our website and all these things, you know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo, David and
Okay, yeah. Curious eating.
JAMMIWOOd.
Yeah, yeah. One king. Let them know. Who loves love? Love best, yeah. Who loves love? Love best, I say. Who loves love? Love best, yes, yes. Who loves love? Love best, I say. Who loves love? Love best. You enjoy see people crying. You get amused by that. But you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right back. You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You're crazy boy, you're a crazy boy. But what goes around comes around, and karma is not a toy. You deceive, receive, but now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know who loves love, love best, yeah, yes. Who loves love, love best, I say. Who loves love, love best, I say. Who loves love, love best, I say. Who loves love, love best. Cause life is nothing but a test, oh yes. Yeah. So you think you're gonna get away? You thief money to make a better day. But what happens when the table is turned? And the lesson's too hard for you to learn. And you
Hello. Why pre now? You can link me right now. Alright, here man, me dey down on the road there, so heap of black there. For you come and black them there see me. Ah. Try something. When you come here in dark, so when you come here in dark, you know go and take 2 pictures there. Some man of them man say I can't check me how long, brother. Think I pray my prayer work, me I work no money, man.
Oh. Oh, go on.
But you call them car,
Yo, I'm going to sit me there deal up saying that.
Oh, so
credit, man.
credit.
Yeah.
It's like how you want credit and me want me I try to chase something. I try to
What that?
something. Yeah, ba? You know nothing about computer like to write up things and put price on things and so.
Yeah, man, I know about anything the man computer. I can edit photo, flyers, everything.
Yeah, me want you do. Right, me go take a picture of this, alright?
Yeah.
Me take a picture already though, but more you write up on it like more put it for sale. Cause remember the cash
Oh, simple thing that one.
More put it for sale, more put the price at 100 mil, 1 mil.
100 mil.
1 mil, like 1 mil.
Yes,
the price, yeah. So I'm put it on now for sale, the price on like 1 mil.
Oh.
You see me?
Yeah, man, I can match up that, man. But you give me credit, though.
Yeah, man. I give credit after you're done.
Around
Wait.
13,000 I credit. 30.
I told that credit me I give my youth.
Daddy enough for that.
That's not enough for you just sit down on the computer, brother.
You have a computer?
No.
Alright.
But when money now, I give you something more upon it.
You don't have to tell me, man. Your man daddy said us. Don't me picture them. Is
Yeah, man, I shot
to
at them.
Yeah,
I shot at them right now too.
so, when different mates do that, you know, stop the credit thief and thing.
But thief, brother, scam me, there's not thief, nothing, brother. See, police look for me.
This me daddy. You soon
Maybe
catch
I go,
up.
alright, yeah, I go tap it.
Remember, see me tell you.
A different thing, this, you know.
Alright.
I eat more deal right now, you know, different things, you know.
I'm not there.
Put more your design, you know. Cheap, you know.
I'm not put a cheap price, man. No, yeah.
Alright, then, I'll put my number upon it too.
Yeah.
For I sale, you know what to do already. No good. So how you tell me say upon your phone upon your computer you know say I want to go general.
No, man, you can't deal with the phone and like I want big project to me have to use the laptop.
Do I do?
But if me want to deal with the laptop, I will cost you more.
Don't do it on the phone,
No. Price again.
Just put $1 million. No, yeah. Just put post for sale. Cheap. Not tell them the price yet.
Alright, cheap.
Yeah, when they call me now, I put the number upon when they call me now, they make it the price. Put the number upon it.
Right, my idea now.
Put it. Right.
Hey, number, guys.
210
210
4657.
4657.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just put it now. Alright, you can go on.
So, me don't need this thing, daddy. I'm tell you. Yeah, rush things up. Sure.
Yeah.
This thing.
Try to tell me number look good. Alright.
Daddy, listen to me. What you do?
No, go on.
You are editing or me editing? Which one?
I editing. Go on.
So you tell me what to do, daddy?
No, me just say, alright.
Sure. You don't want to give me credit, no, me see it. You don't want to give me credit.
Me see it.
Alright. So you don't have no see it.
See it. Yeah, can't go on, man. Yeah, send it to my phone so I get this post. When people think when we get the credit, you send the credit, but you don't get a credit back, you know?
Alright. I'm saying alright.
Make
I
sure
want
you say
some clothes me I watch it, so.
You see, say, I want to watch you.
Yeah, man, so go on. Yeah.
Respect still.
Yeah.
Manners.
Funny though.
Commotion problem.
Yeah.
What? Send it to my phone, man. Alright. Wow. Nice house this, man. What's it? 210-4657.
Yeah, boy, man. What is this? Hello.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, how this? First me hear the name there. What happened now?
You see one picture go around on the phone them, you know. You want house I say it sell cheap.
Yeah man, I'm going one. I mean I let it go.
How much you let it go for?
No say boy, 1 mil.
1 million?
Yeah man.
Yo, I want it, man, yeah?
Yeah, you can come link me in a day, I can look for it.
No, man. I'm busy today, but Tuesday morning, early, 7 o'clock. I come look on it, yeah?
Alright then, when I left out the link, me tell you what to do and where to go.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Alright. Yo, take off the fast sale at 5.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
What's on that? Should I get chick?
Who loves love? Love best, I say. Who loves love? Love best, yes. Who loves love? Love best, I say. Who loves love? Love best. You enjoy see people crying. You get amused by that. But you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right. You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You crazy boy, is a crazy boy. Oh, what goes around comes around, and karma is not at all. You deceive, we receive.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Up. How this?
Man, when I talk to you about the house there.
Oh, so far reach now.
Drive, but just a drive up, man. Which part to come?
Yeah, well, see before you can link me, I want you to do something for me on the road.
Yeah, man, talk now.
I want you to tap a China, right? Any super gas station or anywhere, I want you to get a case of juice for me and some chips. You see me?
Yeah. Simple thing that, man.
Alright, so get that for me.
Alright, now do that.
Alright.
But now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know who lost love.
Say I want again. Alright, yeah, man.
Love best, I say. Oh, lost love. Love best. 'Cause life is nothing but a test. Oh, yes. Yeah. So you think you're gonna get away? You thief money to make a better day. But what happened when the table is turned? And the lesson's too hard for you to learn. And you care. Curious eating up JAMMIWOOD. Yeah, one king, let them know. Ooh, love, love, love bells, yeah. Ooh, love bells, I say.
Alright, yo.
Yo.
You get the baby chips them and the juice them, you know. So what for do you now?
Yeah, so when you forward up on the road, tap on cash patch up and call me.
Alright, me saw that. Yeah, man.
Ooh, last love, love bells, yes, yes. Ooh, last love bells, I say. Ooh, last love bells. You enjoy see people crying. You get amused by that. But you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right back. You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. Crazy boy, he's a crazy boy.
Yo.
Yo, I'm there by cash patch shop now.
Oh, you try catch my shop? The more you buy one $5,000 credit I send for my phone here.
What kind of credit?
Lime.
Need do that, man.
Oh, what goes around comes around, and karma is not a toy. You deceive, receive, but now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know. Ooh, love bears, yeah, yeah.
What? Credit reach?
Love bears, I say. Ooh, love bears, I say. Ooh, love.
Yeah.
Yo, me just get the credit now.
Alright. Cool, man.
But you know, more if they are more man, I make one bag of nice and me yes. So you're more you buy one $10,000 credit same way I send for my wife phone. I send a number.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me do that, man. Just go and go do it. Yeah, man, me do that, man.
Yeah.
Yo, David and I.
Okay, yeah. Curious eating JAMMIWOod. Yeah. One king. Let them know. Ooh, love bells, yeah. Ooh, love bells, I say. Ooh, love bells, yes. Ooh, love.
Hello.
Yo, you get it?
Move fire to know whether that is. Tell what's going on.
Yeah, man, me get the credit them. Yeah, more you go across road, me there across road away for you.
By crossroad, alright.
Bells, I say. Ooh, love bells. You enjoy see people crying. You get amused by that. But you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right back. You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You're crazy boy, you're a crazy boy. Oh, what goes around comes around, and karma is not a toy. You deceive, receive, but now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know. best, yeah, yes. Who loves love? Love best, I say. Who loves love? Love best, I say. Who loves love? Love best, I say. Who loves love? Love best. 'Cause life is nothing but a test, oh yes. Yeah. So you think you're gonna get away? You thief money to make a better day. But what happened when the tables turn? And the lesson's too hard for you to learn. And you
Yo, dami na na yun.
Justice, man.
You enjoy see people crying. You get amused by that. But you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right back. You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You crazy boy, is a crazy boy. Oh, what goes around comes around and come on.
Yo, T-Dog. You know, see some boy, some scam justice bar money in a king. Them no know who them are ramping, you know. Them a start up with brimstone fire and watch, you know. Talk come for them, you know. Talk come for them, my brother, man. I want house, me forgot buy start and niggas tell me to stop and buy one wally per credit put on him and the woman phone and one wally per chips and juice in my car. And now me there tell me to meet me at the crossroad. Now me there at the crossroad I call them all long brother and them not answer phone. You know what? In short
It's not a toy. You deceive, receive. But now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know who lost love. Love best, yeah, yes. Who lost love? Love best, I say. Who lost love? Love best, I say. Who lost love? Love best, I say. Who lost love? Love best. 'Cause life is nothing but a test, oh yes. Why? Just let somebody know you guys go.
Who that?
Anaya.
Forward now.
Good evening.
Evening. Are you somebody saying to give you some business, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, and I am.
Yeah.
How much?
21.
I know it's still not a piece of work for you, some credit thing we need it still. See me like collect credit, sell them back and make a piece of money. You see me? But I say any amount of money you make, half of you, half of you. 50-50.
Okay, so how am I get the credit them for sell though?
I just send them by your phone.
How me do just when people are buying credit from me, just send them to their phone also?
Yeah.
Oh.
You see me? And then sell the credit them when they finish, just lick me back right and so. You see me? I true my virgin, you see me, I trust her so much, you see me? Because they tell me say, yo, he's a trustworthy person, you can pay him some more money to do some credit for me, sell some credit and thing, and he say, yo, he's a trustworthy person, so I trust you, you see me? Because I put my money on my credit, you know. You see me? Because business is a business. You see me? Yeah.
But you're not going to pay either, you know. You say
What about
50-50, make sure you say 50-50. So wait, when we can start work?
I know, so you can link me back tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
I think I didn't know.
Oh, you know, not really working more now, but you can link me tomorrow and me get credit.
What time?
Oh, or me can send them to your phone tonight.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo, David and I.
Okay, yeah. Curious eating JAMMIWOOD. Yeah, yeah. One king. Let them know. Who love, love best, yeah. Who love, love best, I say. Who loves love best, yes, yes. Who loves love best, I say. Who loves love best. You enjoy see people crying. You get amused by that.
Yeah, girl. Me say I want to see me watch the other day. Let me make me there look. You know, so my head ever open wide. Sure, I see I run your way, master, like every time a man go to come to you, you run that push up on the man. That me see she do. Yeah. Hold on, I'm so calm about it. Then send me a 1 minute. Alright. Yo, cuz boy. Yo, cuz boy.
I want to smoke it.
Get up, my man, you know, print out, so. You know, say, you can send me some credit. The power important, cause man, then just tell me a 1 minute.
You see it now, and you see him wanna fight against my business. I know you can tell me say you want credit. You tell me about how it's illegal. You tell me say, right? You tell me say you think some feel do them something, right? I see it now, I hit make me have credit. Can I send you? Right? I'm not give you no credit, brother. Me not give you no credit. And you see him one like say you don't want to see me upliftment. Like you don't believe in me.
Cause if I never sell it, I would have gone and go buy credit. But you there say you sell credit, so just send me $1,000 credit and stop paying so hard now. Me have family, you know. I see you cheat people. I bet you for the one of your dirty foot friend them around the city a long time. I bet you.
Me and your family, yes, but you doubt me. Me give me friends because them not doubt me. They might encourage me. You better walk, go shop, go buy credit. Matter of fact, is it true more want money? How much credit you want?
The reason why I doubt you, I become one of the best here, because suppose police see you and lock you up now.
And them something that me I run from. You tell me about police.
Nobody the long talking, man. Just send me $1,000 credit. But tomorrow I get the money in the car. Tomorrow I collect piece of food. As I say, I do want important car me that, you know.
Matter of fact, I'm not too sure that trust in no credit no car. I'm not doing no trust no. Should I buy no, if you don't have your money up front. You know?
Yeah, you know me never broke it.
So how you broke now?
I'm not broke, my broke.
So what then?
Just because my money then can't change, yeah, so you can't change none of my money them. So tomorrow I go bank and change the money, make you get $1,000. What $1,000 do? Remember $100, you know? You make it look like a $5,000 for you look with $1,000 credit. Just send me credit, man.
You say that credit, you don't get it.
Yeah, man.
Make sure money reach me tomorrow.
The money now possible now. Yeah, my credit is done, girl. As me there, so come in here look at some mix up and all. I said the girl that have push up and the man over here like say no you What's your door?
Some food night pot in the kitchen. Can I get some eye?
Yeah man, can't take some of my food man. But here we are now. Looking at it just back with some peanut butter. Carry 2 slices of bread and one juice with some peanut butter coffee.
Alright, may I go fit and come back.
But you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right back. You got a joy, but then you destroy people mentally. Take the money and play them like them a dolly. You're crazy boy, you're a crazy boy. Oh, what comes around and come.
See, I couldn't put it for one spoon instead of this.
Just squeeze it on the bread and make a sandwich. You already tight, you just squeeze it out and have it in a spoon. Remember doing it, you can't eat so late at night, because if you eat so late at night, you have nightmare. Here.
So you're going to do the food out there in the pot. Now you're going to eat it. So you're going to have nightmare too. Go on here, baby, man. So I come in to feel good.
I love Duppy show. That's why I meet so late at night time. I'm on him. Here.
Oi! Quick after like this, man. You have the TV live.
What is your phone number?
502 36 93.
What your cousin name? But they come and credit them.
Boy.
What him name?
Boy.
Tell your cousin say me I go want back my credit. Alright.
So me I tell you, it's the same thing me I tell you say, if you stop scam people, you know.
What happened?
So me just get one gym for one black rasta man. Say if you come back in 15,000 credit for your scam you. Or else I'm go fine you.
Me tell you, say if you stop eat so late at night time, tell you say they catch nightmare, but you not listen. But if I keep it light and go back to your bed, think that's my day of trouble you.
Alright. You're not here.
Keep it light.
If you go under my bed.
Go back to your bed.
Is not a toy. You deceive, I receive. But now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know who lost love. Love best, yes. Who lost love? Love best, I say. Who lost love? Love best, I say. Who lost love?
Good evening. What's up?
Very pretty.
You know, say 21,000 me carry come. You know, so you did a deal. Say 20,000 for me and 21 for you. All of them. See, now I'm not credit for load up my phone. You know what's the business we are dealing with, you know, in half time 4 years.
Come on, your phone, you know. Move out.
Sure.
Put 50 more thousand credit money, so get this and then you know after.
Like what 50, how much love you got tight now? I'm say more now, you know. So talk to me.
Well, in the amount of sale is pretty half and half. Because when I say I'm 41 I get 20, we get 21. So we know what to do.
Alright then.
All good.
One king, let them know who loves love, love best, yeah. Who loves love best, I say. Who loves love best, yes, yes. Who loves love best, I say. Who loves love best. You enjoy see people crying. You get amused by that. But you
I tell you, say, if you tell your cousin boy, if you bring back my credit them and put on my phone, and I'll know no budge. Where you live?
Morning straight.
Alright? You will see me tomorrow, you know. Yeah, man.
Boy. I see the same thing when I tell us about the scamming there. How much night no me have the same dream over and over, you know. This is the last one we scam 15,000 credit from. Please, me beg you. Keep out them credit go give them. Me beg you do. We can't take this no more.
You see me tell us late eating and mash you up. Late eating and mash up. Tell us to stop eating so late because you got a nightmare. Come back to your bed. You don't have no dream. Come back to your bed.
Next thing again, every night you out to 7 nights, you them asleep. You don't have your bed around this, you don't have room. You don't go on your bed to sleep. You just asleep out there, so you have. Make up take a hand over this sleep.
I would like to know one kind they have it. I'm going to bed still.
My mommy tell them, come back to people them credit over there. Now when I have in there.
say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right back. You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You're crazy boy, you're a crazy boy. Oh, what goes around comes around, and karma is not a toy. You deceive, receive, but now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know who lost love, love best, yes. Who lost love best, I say.
Okay. So this side 12 hours. She says she lives on the 12 hours on the left hand side. Supposed to feel the most this man. Yo. You know one tall girl, brown. It's kind of brown, strong body.
Yeah. Over here, so she
Over
live
there,
now.
so she live.
Yeah, man, she name Smokey.
Smokey.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, respect, man.
Alright.
Free. Where are you frightened for?
No, you seen my dream last night.
Yeah, I mean, seen them, yeah. Me and a dopey. And I'm for frightened yet, man. Bob, take my money. But I know the money where I'm taking up.
Boy.
Boy, take my money. I was the principal of the Haitian man. You see? I don't work with it, so.
So you come here for?
I need back my money.
Whose money?
Boy, take my money.
And you see this, you're trying to Jesus.
And the money when I'm taking up, I principal as a Haitian man. How much things I could have done already? Anyway, but you know what? I'm paying the wrong number here. See number there? You haven't need it. You haven't need it.
Jesus Christ. Is it real?
You say? We're not gonna need it, like, when I know really ready for find me, we're not gonna need it. So see the number there? Cause me not joking, you know. But a principal do things here.
So, let me ask you a question. What do? Take your credit card and money.
And take $15,000 from my phone. And my money, same way. I'm not calling, man.
Boy! What? Boy! I probably don't want to get me now. Man, just if it give back to people them their money, or their credit, we take from them.
I'm telling you, man, I come back here with a foolish about money, credit. The man just see me out here a while ago and I don't know see me. And I ask me question. Brother, man, now 5 hours, stop chat about money.
Oh, so you tell the man I'm live? Eh?
So you tell him about it,
It's if I know one thing. Give back the people them their credit. That means
push credit.
the 15,000.
Hey, listen. You get scammed already, now the money to get back, you know, credit to get back. You want me to do business and give back people credit and money?
They won't cut it
Go on.
so much.
We'll have like, go on, listen, man, go on, listen.
All me I said to you, give back the people them their 15,000 credit.
Smoky, can't see
Or give them back the money.
You can't chat.
Else they will deport you out in your phone.
Deport you out, yeah.
They will put you up in a business.
That's why I'm going down this weekend, man.
You know, money done.
But you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right back. You got a joy But when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You crazy boy, you're a crazy boy.
Hello.
Yeah.
Is this Mr. Watson?
Yeah, you're speaking to Mr. Watson. Who am I speaking to?
You're speaking to Brittany from the UK.
Yeah, listen, you're messing. You see, you can't,
No, this is not a scam, sir. Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
This is not a scam.
Try somebody else, please, ma'am.
What? Harsh. No, this a phone. You just lay down there. You don't know nobody number can give me.
No.
Get that person. Who's getting somebody else? Somebody friend. Oh, yeah. I get this a person either. I get nobody.
Girl, I'm best friend, you know. I mean, me no like what you do. You better you find one work do.
This is my job. So I know what you talk about.
Me no like what you do.
Well, you're gonna like it.
You better you go. You see, I make a little money after that, you know, but me no like it. But me willing to help you in anything if you want, you know. But me no like the work the way you do.
As I said before, you better like it. Okay. Try call somebody else.
Anything you say, do what you do, you know. But she say when I get catch, you know, call me.
Now get catch girl.
Yeah.
Call about the number. Most can't. Chop a client idea.
Hello?
Oh, my number that. Alright. No. Wait. Alright. Auntie Joyce. Hello?
Who's this?
Brittany, who is this?
This is,
Boy. I think I got the wrong number. Sorry.
So who you want to get to?
Eh?
Who you want to get to?
Auntie Joyce.
Oh, well, this is not Auntie Joyce. This is Boy.
Alright, I said I got the wrong number. I'm gonna hang up now.
Oh, nice still.
My advice so nice. Give me a minute then. Hello? Yes. Alright, no problem. Yes, honey? Alright, thanks. Girl, your money set her off.
No, I don't.
You know your name, so you go collect it? I'll bring it home, give me. I'll make you a share sometime.
Yeah, me collect if you not because you have to do this, you never collect you know. Not collect you.
Yeah, so I asked you now.
You sound like a nice girl, isn't it?
Because I am a nice girl.
Well, we don't want to get to know you better thing.
Oh, really?
I have to tell you the truth from me, your advice, not just skip a beat.
You have me here blushing right now.
Really?
Yes. So where in Jamaica do you live?
I live, you know Westmoreland?
Not really. I've been to Jamaica around 2 to 3 times already.
Well, if you want, you'll find it. So, where in the States?
America?
Wow, America.
Yeah.
Really, I'm sure we don't know what happened, but we just fall in love with your voice.
Okay.
So, we can get a pic of you?
Sure. When I want it now?
Yeah, come with that really love to know you better.
Alright.
I know you more than
No problem. No problem.
So you have any kids or anything?
No? You?
No. Well, I've been single for a whole long now, thinking that I would find someone, you know, that would make me happy and would fit my personality.
Same here. I'm single too.
Really?
Yes. And I just send the pic so you can go and look at it.
Wow. You are beautiful.
Thank you.
Really, I'm sure you know how you want rush things, but would I want to start one serious relationship with me and you?
No problem, sure. But I have something to deal with, so I will link you back in the next one. In the evening.
Okay, don't keep me with you because when I think we can go through it here without hearing back your voice.
I will call you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You know, say not easy.
Man, get chopped.
You know, say not easy. The man want a relationship, I mean, you know want a relationship, how much you want?
So me there are tongue, that's all me know. I want me to know me a chat.
Yeah.
Girl, me have a next. You know, pick up your money for me.
Yeah, me pick up your money for you, man.
The man send out money, you know. I'm gonna one time run up.
What time? You send out already?
The man send you out the way feeling call me.
Alright, I go collect you now. Let me get ready and collect you here.
Do that. I came back. All the money come give me, you know.
Girl, let me back all the money come.
You'll get a shares as me say. Next client on the line.
You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You crazy boy, you're a crazy boy. Oh, what goes around comes around, and karma is not a toy. You deceive, I receive, but now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know who lost love best, yeah, yes. Who lost love best, I said.
Why? Because I want to you.
Babe, give me a minute there. Smokey, what you want? What you want? You see, you can see on my phone, do not disturb. Where you come out here for?
You don't say, all the $1,000 credit money send me.
You of course, I have no credit to sell again. Right? So don't come to me no credit. And see on my phone too. Go on inside, man, have a look at the
Oh, so hold on, sit down, man, sit down. Wait, so you have sell credit? No, sir. So all bills them all get paid. The woman for the phone can pay bills them? No man, me need to know. Can she pay the bills them? Yeah, they are. What that for?
That come out of I don't have time for you. Go and back in the house. You see my phone call. Go and back in the house.
Alright. Just make sure, say, the phone call me can hear me. Make sure you get food tonight for eat and tomorrow morning. Sure. I want to hear coming about smoking or no cousin. You
Smokey, go on inside the Smokey.
Love birds, I say, who lost love? Love birds, yes, yes. Who lost love? Love birds, I say, who lost love? Love birds. You enjoy see people crying. You get amused by that. But you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna
I say money we can't deliver. See it here.
How much is?
Same as usual, man.
Alright then.
Come load up your phone and me a hurry, man. Do you think now?
Boy, if I want their business slow, no credit now come in. I now get no credit now, I now but no client.
I like Matilda here. I love you 5 on phone. Is if I need 5 one man, you need even business about credit anymore. Right now you're supposed to feel glad. You're supposed to glad feel the money you check out give. Kind of know about that day. Yo, man. You need to pull yourself together, you know. Because you say, if you not give me no credit for load up my phone again, I get to find somebody else. Simple.
That man. I may start the business, man. And that may have to continue on the business.
But you not play for your role. See them, yes, you find love. You don't business will work again. You waste time. And time is money.
Sometimes I have to get myself a contract. Yeah?
You know, just pull yourself together and do your thing. Just call me when you get your thing and just send to my phone.
You do that.
Anyways, hurry me and hurry, you know. So just call me. Boy, you know, say you need to get back yourself on track. I'm a man of bills of paying, you know. And me alone I pay them bills and you learning the stuff free. On phone with girl all day. I never be the agency at first, but bills have to pay. So you need to work on it. And send the credit ugly girl. Because a real thing she attack, you know. And if you don't get paid, you have to sit down and sab all day. I'm not depend that with you. I'm not depend when me cook in my pot. Oh.
Cause calm down, man. No me I do. Just ease yourself and give me some time for straight, man.
Alright. And you say boss, man. But just try to remember the bills and pay, yeah?
What is it?
I know they are so free.
Girl, I don't understand how you can man get their money so easy.
Look here. Hurry yourself. Let me show you. I can show you how I do it. Easy. Same one. Anyways, girl, I can't go in and say, man, come on. Alright. My wife here, call.
Oh.
Hey, babe.
What one, baby?
Damn, you good?
Yeah, man. Yeah, sit down for me step and look out.
You know, I want a surprise to tell you, though.
What kind of surprise that?
Just a guess, though.
Me no know where you talk about. Me not too good for the guessing. Me not too good for the guessing.
Alright, just get to the point, though. Alright. I'm coming to Jamaica to see you.
A joke you make.
Maybe not joke. Me come to Jamaica to see if it's true.
When?
Soon.
A lie.
I ain't telling a lie.
So you say me so see you then?
Yes.
Jesus Christ. Can't wait.
Me too.
So what you do with other friend that? Different friend that?
I'm here chilling.
Right now, to me, a lady, this is good news. Like, me not want nothing to eat for the rest of the day.
I'll do some food, come give me then. Alright.
So what you bring down for me? What you bring down for me?
I'll bring a lot of stuff for you, a lot. Like, a lot.
Alright.
Yeah.
Can't wait. Nah, sleep until I come down.
No, you're supposed to get rest because when I come, straight party.
Think a party alone. Anyways, later.
Alright, later, love you. Alright. Just like that. Easy. That's so easy, honey.
Girl, me never know say a serious skill. You call him and attend say they are foreign. Now look on you right now, Jamaican, and he believe everything what you say. No sense anyways. That's a Jamaican man can still.
Me a good color.
Wait there, I see a boy where they talk to you now. What's your name, boy?
The same one.
You call that the answer for.
Same one. Anyways, girl, me I can't go in and say, come on.
Guys. You hear that? You hear what? You hear? We wanna come down. We wanna come to Jamaica.
When she come down?
You know, she never tell me no specific date and time. She just tell me so she a forward down.
Look like you're the girl is serious still now. But hold on, tell me something. How you know so she real? You know, me never see her on a video call yet nor nothing, you know. Me never sure you see her face or whatever. How you know so she real? And how you know so she a right woman for you?
This is what me I say. See, first time when me and her just start talk, me did a video call her. But me say something to her and she did focus on me. You see me say, if phone drop, and lick the camera. So me not get a video call her from that time there.
Every time I want a man you chat over on the phone, you chat like a girl here.
You know what? Me go left from you say, you know. Because I be a bad energy now, be a negative vibes. You know, like, you're bad mind, you know.
Bad man over what?
You're too bad mind, man.
He, she, you chat to Tande.
Chat too much.
Say what before that. Yeah, you can't move on. You know me? But you can't move better. Like this, I only move with that time there.
Oh.
Am I move now?
Yeah, I feel moving now. Yes, I like so.
Yeah, but this your boy, I see me now because your hoof. You should have killed him.
Oh, I understand the game like now, man. Because I ain't too know if you play like that now. Yes.
It's a brain game, man. So every time you see a man to kill and you don't kill him, you take him out.
Man, them.
I chop.
Man, them are deep, man.
Lucky in front of the game, I can't feel.
You think of that? Mama, come down.
You said one day, I tell us a fake.
What? You remember say them saying fake? Mama, come down.
Which girl that, father?
Eh?
Which girl that?
Watch her.
Look on the picture and tell me if she look like look real.
Man, I try not believe in her youth, you know.
Bombat!
Upon that. Ma, come down. Now you want to, man?
You see back the picture again. You see back the
Look
picture
on
again.
her.
It's fake, brother.
I watch you can't get no girl from a foreign. That a bun you, man.
When she says she come down.
Nobody matter about when she a forward. Just know that she a forward. So when she forward, you go see her. Because I'm there everywhere with her.
Yeah, man, I make sure say I see him girl. We show me on the picture. Or she may see in person.
Yo,
Of course, I said girl, man. I'm just a bad mind, dog. You can't get no girl. Father, I go shame him.
What you mean, man? I go shame him, man.
You know no friend?
Hmm?
She not.
I don't know yet, you know. I don't know the asking about no friend, because she me a focus on. Me a tell her from me hearing voice. Boy, come and I say, yo, I'm a visa me get. Alright, so yo, I go down the road, buy some juice, go and drink up, you know, keep fit for when you forward, you see me? So, go and play back on the game, man.
Big up yourself, here.
Go on, real fake girl, man.
Go man, if you have one girl.
Bad mind, boy. I show you, yo, man.
Fall right back. You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You crazy boy, you're a crazy boy. Oh, what goes around comes around, and karma is not a toy.
What going on now?
Boy, where the pan?
What going on now? You know, say the $1,000 credit me a link about though. You not have none now?
No.
I mean, no. What going for business nowadays? What going?
Why business now work? Nothing I'm going for business nowadays, you know.
Alright then. That me can check your boss still. You good though?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
That's alright.
Call me, you know. What about me gate, man?
You never see it like that?
Well, baby.
Hey.
Well, go on.
My day, good?
Yeah, man. Just there again one evening.
You know, say you call me, just say you call her too. Me come to Jamaica, as me say, and my buy the ticket already, the plane ticket.
So I know you not tell me when you have forward, you know.
In the week, but we ever make something to do. That's what else to do.
What that?
Next door Irish family, because I live in the city, you know? I'm going to go in my room and talk. I live in the city. So, next door, there's a store, and they must sell out things cheap. A lot of things I can get, like clocks, kickers, all of them something there. Original. And we did already like, I'm saying now, you can get 25 around 25 clocks for around $30. Me I tell us see that, see 11, you know, original. Some of the life is, you hear me?
I hear man, talk no.
Me I say no. Would I like you if I could have sent me like roughly a $2,000? $2,000? $2,000.
See that?
Because me have, no, I did, I look here, you hear me?
Me I tell you, me I hear, man.
They have iPhone and all different type of stuff. But they already ordered them already. But it come up to $5,000 and I only have $3,000.
Oh, so you want another two?
Jamaica.
I think me have $1,000 per my card. Suppose you can borrow next $1,000 and send you.
No problem.
And send it.
Alright. No problem. Just do that and send me it. But send it to my card. Don't send it to Western Union because me and them two plan pizza line. We collect too much money. Yeah, so them block me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright then. I go see if I can get the next $1,000 and then put it to them and then wrap your parcel.
Alright, do that, please. Because me I forward now 2 big barrels me I bring.
You don't do that then, man. Clocks and what they have?
Huh?
The clocks and what they have?
You name it. What kind of shoes you like, by the way?
Boy, like bank robber, desert
They
eagle,
have
you know?
kickers, they have Air Force.
You can buy, just buy the boot them and get them come when they come.
So the cycle bunny shirt them to the polo and them something there.
But just if you buy them as long as a name brand.
No problem. Cause when I come down, you have to Chris out.
Like that. Ready? Alright. Good vibration still. So, and then later.
Alright. Just make sure you say anyone, maybe go please, because we need to get them stuff there.
Alright.
Yeah.
I know I'm gonna watch it for your money. Go on, man.
What barefoot when you see that
You can link me, brother, and say you want credit and get them. I know you're going to shop me buy credit, so I come for you. You see me?
Say the phone now.
You know, say I tell me want to say you want the money for borrow.
How much is that, sir? Because I'm not kind of really strapped right now, because I have something I sort out differently. So how much you want?
Ah, boy. You know, say still I want 50,000 with you want borrow still.
50,000? You will normally make your 100,000 a year credit money. Are you not save? What?
You can look for you for access if you can lend me money. It's either yes or no. If you not let me tell me go about business.
Alright. I'm going to lend you the money. I see my account I use it.
Yeah, man, I see man. You can just wire it to me.
But listen me, and listen me good. If you not borrow that money, you give me it back. When I get back?
Oh, father, listen. You know, say me's a man of my head already. So me say, yo, you get back your money, I will get your money. Just calm, see the man, just work.
But remember, me have my youth them for mine in that. Say no that go. You can't short on funds when bills come in. You understand?
Yeah, man, know where I talk.
Alright.
You
can just wire it give.
Right now,
Remember you're no bossy.
Right now.
Alright, my money and a friend.
Right now, man. What the fuck? Somebody go call you account and give me the account look for.
Alright.
How do you do that now?
So, you have food, man.
Yeah, man, I'm at supper one food, I'm making an idea, you know?
No, say still a piece of money I can link you for.
No funny, sir.
Boy, I know so 30 grand.
30. I hear what I go on now. You know what I say? My baby mother did that say. You want to go a bombard doctor tomorrow. You see me? So, I for give her 10 grand. You see me? So, here what I go on now. I can't give you 30. You see me?
So, you can give me?
I'll give you 125.
Yeah, I'm grateful for that still, as long as you can. You know?
I have
a phone for you.
I have the money, man. $5,000.
Respect, man.
I'm
good on the road.
Who that? Country hall now? Where you want?
That's some money I for borrow still because my girlfriend I say yo, some things over there. I say cheap. You see me? So I say if we could have get some money together and say no I can buy that for me. You see me? So I just want to look a piece of food for borrow for them.
Somebody you look for scam and forget money from. When you used to scam credit, you never have money. Where you stuff from about girlfriend this, girlfriend that. She did a foreign and she's supposed to have sent money from you. Papi sure. What am I doing, man?
Alright, that's a 40 here. That's a 40.
I tell the man dog, this is a new tune now, me and Puppy them do. Girl is freestyle and my dog, you know, see some tough lyrics in there. Yo, when me say tough, tougher than the song we're writing. Hold on. Go on, fam.
There, you know. Just still on a different measure. Check my country because I need, so I need an assistant because you want a piece of food to borrow.
Country and check it for 20.
Yeah, man. 21. Respect still, you know what I'm saying?
Big up.
I have to big up all the time, isn't it?
Alright, now be it, come give me a push and I'm that.
Alright, I'm going on the road after.
Fully.
But when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You crazy boy, you're a crazy boy. Oh, what goes around comes around, and karma is not a toy. You deceive, I receive, but now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know who last laugh.
Oh, go on.
But with our money, what go on?
Right, free. You know, more access to them. You know, if you transfer money, Swift.
Of course. Let us now me do the deal, man. Remember I said about me deal with you. So what go on?
I say, a 2,000 US me fee transfer to our account, but me only have 1,000 pound this year and the rest in my pocket. So I wonder if I could have transferred to the account with me upon the phone.
Hey, me, man, could I do that for you? So all you do, you give me the phone, you do it for a fee or transfer, and then we transfer back 1,000 out of mine, and you give me a value of 1,000, 150,000. Agree, sir?
Yeah, man. I have money.
Wow, cash you do.
Yeah.
You don't count here, you know?
Sure, I account.
Okay.
I know I'm not a thief, man.
Cause you're a top scammer, you know. What's the last one before?
Alright.
What's my picture there, man?
Don't worry about the mosquito there, man. I think I want to kill them off, man, before we go sleep. Because, see, if we don't kill them yet, they will off me and me. And they don't go bite him, man. Alright, so. Alright, so. Bomb. That come first. Alright. Alright, so we'll deal with that. So this next. Alright, so your time now. Alright, so how will you send the money, sir?
Oh, sir. I might be there when we meet on the line. Come from overseas. And you say you might get some cheap things over there. So I say a piece of food so you can buy it for me.
Last time we meet at B, you know, that's like truth, you know. Me no hear back from him like that. You're good still. Maybe put on dog. They always say put on dog now we see luck. Some people feel luck better than mine, but me I tell you the truth. Me never get through.
You never get through.
Daddy, me say when they call the phone, is a man answer the phone after me send the money. So for me and you a call right now, so we can prove.
I call him, man. Tell him say, yo.
The mosquito here, you know, see we can kill 1,000 mosquitoes before we go in. Not really check.
Baby.
What about baby?
You know, somebody just send off the money, you get it?
Yes, I got the money.
Okay. So you can do it where you do before you come down.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Mosquito. Yo, boy. Are you mad, Daddy?
Yeah.
You tell us to put that down and we see a lot, man. A good choice. You should have said that money, you know no more?
No, sir, that tells you how.
I said that, man.
Me there, visit me when I have much like that.
Boy, I tell you, I have to go buy a beer when I'm in there. When she come down?
You know, so inside in a week, yeah.
Oh, so quick. I want to meet her.
Long time.
Well, we take your word for it, you know, because you're liars still, you know, it's a long time, you know.
Calm down, man.
But we take your word for it. I feel like I jam mosquito more for me. Take your time going in here, jam, man. Take your time going.
Alright, a little bit.
Yeah. Because, come mosquito.
I'm never eat, you know. Box. Oi. Get up, man. Get up. Monday or the night job.
This money I talk.
say, where my money there? Me have 37,000 I just since even when me have sleep. And you are always somebody coming there look money if they borrow for me. You see me might have sleep, but I'm not fool here. 5 money give me. And I make a jar me have that in there now. I'm wanting to go buy food at shop right now.
I not take out some money in the I must see him man come to your day. Because when I left, I see him man.
See man way?
I come in your house, I say, some things say, are you tell me come check or something, and you know say I come. I don't know about the money. You see another money, so I left it.
So if I see him in the house, why you never wake me up?
If you say you call him man and drop asleep or something.
Yeah, he there? Oh, if you call man over here and go drop asleep.
I regularly call somebody and me give you those who can't tell them.
Because you there, that's to say you're a fool. Me, would have seen out the door and wait for the man because you know me don't like people in the house. And you really make people come, as a matter of fact, me don't call him.
But I know me man that come to, no man can come to me.
Much time I see your man bridging there come and check no man there be.
No
man there be.
I'm going to check them. No man can come.
Oh, so you go check man and no man check you?
No man can check me, say.
Let's say he, she, and check the phone. What call you right now?
You don't come on here with the house that I benefit to tell you. Sure.
Hello.
Hello, what money there?
Money I talk about. Who this?
You see a girl where come over here talk to her other day about boy.
I don't know which money I talk about.
Boy, tell me say you used to come in the house today and me have piece of money in my jar and me can't find no.
Boy thief my money dishonestly. You hear me? I say when me ready to play the game, I have to go bring back my money. And bring back my money double time. Cause I see, if me that for come over your yard, come take money, or me that reach back on my yard. So far, look how far me live. Brains on our use. So watch out now. Game is on, man. Una go call me. Bet you call me when you need me. Bet you call me. Bet you call me. Hang up. Just hang up, man.
Hello?
Baby.
You know that she got a man living with her boyfriend?
Mandeville? Which Mandeville? Mandeville in Jamaica?
Yeah. How would you say that to?
Boy. What? I don't understand.
I say, who loves love best. You enjoy see people crying. You get amused by that. But you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right back. You got a joy, but when you destroy.
Say, you know, see a film so other day, man, he did go check me and they tell me. Yeah, but me never did know say I feel a girlfriend. God no. Yeah man, me da give her 2 talkies. Yeah man, me know say you ain't that taking away, cause you know say me know say I hear Katie move to chat to her. Yeah man, no problem, my father. Yeah. Alright. How do you look? You look someone?
Tell say not to know what happened with you. You see same thing I tell more day I run away. Remember the same thing I tell what day I run away.
Oh boy, you said girl, let me say fake.
Yeah.
I want to her, so no come down.
No, daddy. The girl scam me and take a whole lot of money.
You do what?
The whole lot of money, I'll even money I borrow from you. I tell him right now I'm not about money to pay back.
Talk to me, what I go on with the girl now? How you get for scam you?
Yeah, I know. Alright. It's like the girl called me, you see me? But
Yeah.
like a wrong number. So to the girl voice nice, me tell the girl say, yo, no come off my line, you see me? I start looking girl. Man, I start date.
No man, when you say that, tell me that already man. I don't want to hear the part of the man know how she scam you, how she take your money.
The girl tell me say, yo, when you forward down one store, I sell clocks cheap, you see me? But me, a 5,000 US, you see me? But you only a 3. So I say, I'm find the next two and send go give her, you see me? That's why I'm going to link you for a piece of money. I not tell you, because I'm not tell you, because I don't want you get mad, you want to run me out here and tell me, say, nah, give me the money, I want your money for give you. You see me? I'm send it to your girl and I call back your girl, you I'll know. Nah, no, your girl not show me back.
Yo, me that one. So that me that tell her brother, you see if you just listen to me and hear me, I said none of this would happen.
I should have listened to you. I tell her say right now, I have 1,000 US in my account. You see me? And I send the girl all of my money, buy money from people. Including money I buy from you. And send go give girl. You see me right now, I feel like I just swimming in the river. Or the ocean like a fish. Right now, I feel like I just jump off the tallest mountain, me I tell you. Or the tallest hill or building. And drop it. Yo, right now, I tell you, me energy, journey you want.
Yeah, me, so nobody with that, you see me? I don't even know if you say I know. Just take a little time and get back on your foot, father. I'm not going to really rush your fee money. So,
I say, yo, me as a big scammer, I never get scammed yet. I can't look at girl scam me, but that's something for fool, man. Something frightened for woman, man.
But as me that tell you already, you know, me that warn you, me that tell you, say, yo, you see them girl there over foreign. And a foreign she come from?
She tell me say she come from foreign, I don't know where she come from. A foreign number text me, you know, so I say, yes, I want a foreigner. I don't even know where she come from. I don't even know if you picture she send me a sheet upon the picture.
That's some catfish business, brother. I scam money, man. Yo, just go on all them, man, you see me? I see it for you look stressed, brother. You had to walk barefoot, man. I see you walk in the yard, I see sadness by you, man.
I don't know what to do, brother. I tell you right now, I'm stressed.
God know you. Yo, me feel you and I'm to backside.
Right now, you, my sister, make my cousin go and put me out of the house, brother, because if you help him pay rent and make a living for myself and me not do that, I can do. Yeah, I'm good on the road now.
Yo, me there fear as a brethren in you. Just hold them, you know. But stress out yourself and run up no blood pressure or nothing, you know. Just hold them, you. Anything you can call me and reason with me. You see me, nobody stress out yourself. I see you stress still.
Respect.
Anybody with that take dance in their heart still, you know, but let's go on all of you. God know, man. I have to call from board. Yo, Tugger. Yo, which side of it? Yo, come give me a link over my yard right now, dad. I can't believe how I go on you. Boy, no link can't tell how I go on. Forward. Yeah.
Someday.
Why me I tell you right now, I'm stressed out you.
How go on?
I tell you what I go on, man. Boy, no link you.
Pick me for?
Brother, boy, just so far right, I say, brother. The man just come tell me one sad news. You didn't tell us I meet a foreign girl the other day.
Yeah, you need to tell me to meet a woman one time. Oh.
You don't know, so they said girl they check him and take him money, father.
Where I say?
The backside, the man come borrow money from me. And I give him money and tell him say I did money for deal with something for my daughter and something. And I give him money.
Right, you borrow money from me too, you know?
Man just tell me.
Yo.
Yo, the man just tell me say he
The man $50,000.
Yo, the man just tell me say he
my
send the girl
God, yeah, me
2,000
you them
US.
daddy.
2,000 US, he send the girl and the girl chick him and take him money. And he can't hear from the girl. The man come here and chat something like he want to kill himself.
Yo, right.
Man say he want to jump off a building. He feel like he
Me
has
and my
sin.
bills them. Me and my bills them to pay right now.
Man tell me say I want to
Me
swim in
like
the
bill
sea.
everything you. Me tell the man make sure you give me back my money. And the man really go send make girls scam him. Where say girls scam him?
Girl take it 2,000 US and he not hear back from her all now. And that me I tell you.
Dude.
Right now good things to see me woman are working. You know? Cause right now me have it hard already, you know. You see me what?
Make sure me tell the man, yo, me and my youth them for mine. And man say, alright, me I'll make you get back your money.
If any man come and be a foot, he no look right, he man look stressed out, me I tell you. Boy, I just hope the best for him still, you see me? God no. Just hope the best for him still.
No, dog.
Any man they a big scammer, man, if you make woman scam
all that.
Yo, right now I'm a big scammer. Yo, if I hear nothing else, still let me know what going on here.
Yo, dog, right now I'm stressed right now, dog. Cause me and my youth them for mine youth and me lend the money and me I depend from to get back my money youth.
Link him also my deal, link him. Or something, boy, I don't know.
Alright.
Yeah.
You tell him, you know.
Love bells, I say, who loves love? Love bells. You enjoy see people crying. You get amused by that. But you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right back. You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You're crazy boy, you're a crazy boy. Oh, what goes around comes around, and karma is not a toy. You deceive and receive, but now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know. Who loves love? Love bears, oh yes. Who loves love? Love bears, I say. Who loves love? Love bears, I say. Who loves love? Love bears, I say. Who loves love? Love bears. 'Cause life is nothing but a test, oh yes. Yeah. So you think you're gonna get away? You thief money to make a better day. But what happened when the table is turned? And the lesson's too hard for you to learn. And you love bears, yes. Who loves love? Love bears, I say. Who loves love? Love bears. You enjoy see people crying. You get on you.
Why? Lord me, they cannot play me, I'm gonna cook. Take your tea off my meat, bro. What I want to? What I want to? Come on, take the kitchen. Come on, take the kitchen. Come on, take the kitchen. I will take some and give me a knife. Not bad. My hair. What about put a knife? Put a knife. Give me a knife. Yeah, idiot. Come on, take it. Come on. Come on, take it. Come on. Here, what's your name? Over there. Come on, take it.
gonna fall right. You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You crazy boy, you're a crazy boy. Oh, what goes around comes around, and karma is not a toy. You deceive, I receive, but now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know who lost love best, yes. Who lost love best, I say. Who lost love best, I say. Who lost love best, I say. Who lost love best, 'cause life is nothing but a test, oh yes. Yeah. So you think you're gonna get away? You thief money to make a better day. But what happened when the table is turned? And the lesson's too hard for you to learn. And you, but you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right back. You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You're crazy boy, you're a crazy boy. Oh, what goes around comes around, and karma is not a toy. You deceive, I receive, but now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know.
Why? Look at Papa. Give me that now. I want you. Give me that now. Give me the money. I idiot. What is you? Let it go. Let's talk about the shop.
Boy.
Want you?
Smoke you all one.
Yeah. Watch. Give me a broom. Me take your lick me now.
No man, not that team. Come here one of you. Nice.
Me come and put on there.
Why? Come down, man.
Oh, give me a book. Come here. Come back. Sit down, son. What's the matter? Watch out.
You want team?
How for you want team?
You don't know say a girl, like a girl in stress over and he that take him.
Who's
the
girl?
Run now with 200, 2,000 US, I mean. Take 2,000 US from him and he say nah, get to the girl. Can you come borrow money from me too, you know? You borrow money from Tugger. I mean I want him and tell him say a fake girl that.
The girl end up on phone with every day.
You never on phone with him every day?
Me talk to him about the girl, I call the girl he, she.
But other day man tell me say he won't jump off a building top. Me never take him serious. Me know say he feel away but me never know say as that a go on. Boy! Oh my God, no. You know say I link me so me I can link him though cause through me remember when I go through. So me say me I can give him a link and
Me
see what I
talk to him, me talk to him, come about to see him girl. And guess what? He cuss me over a girl now. Hello, may I wake me up? Come me take your boom and lick you.
Boy, hey,
put on this. Give me this. Put it in there.
So no call some doctor to come look for him.
Call us doctor, me just other man, me get up and see him so in the kitchen. Me figure cook. If boy have a meat and store run now, put in pan so.
I ain't that taking man a stress. Anybody with that be doing something, man. 2,000 US.
2,000 US step, but me talk to him about the girl. Let me tell you, other man me have some money in Nigeria. The man me have some money, me have 35,000, either 35 or 37. I don't remember how much money in there right now. And he come in there, me sleeping there, he come in there, wake me up and ask me for money. Me tell him, I don't have no money. Wake up in the night now, hungry, so I go food shop go buy one back sword. All the cat on my play.
Boy, I wonder if something no I go and smell virgin.
So me I go buy one food, you know. As me wake up, not even that, you know. He tell me say, I want a Rasta man come in a county for money. And for other day, me I have these weird jeans. Me I wonder for that man they do nothing to, you know. These weird jeans for other day. I tell him to tell the boy say if he send back him 15,000 credit.
No man, me I tell you say I have to stress about the money. Boy, I know somebody like a dick man.
Tell him say they're scamming things are not good enough.
No, my girl scam him.
Yeah, but he must scam people too, so do unto others, others do unto you. See, same thing where him I do, I see somebody come here. I see them mad now, he can't take pressure, so he mad now.
Me I tell you so the man come link me for me other day, man I tell me say, I swim me want to swim in a beach like a fish. Go find somebody where taking money. If you jump off of one building.
I think fall in love with somebody over phone. I post somebody.
You know I go past me in van, but just see if you can carry my hospital and look for him.
When I can't go no hospital, see him girl. But him song, I will come back and check for him and because I can't go now, me talk to him come. And me older than him, so he's supposed to can listen to me. Me even other credit for him, he don't want to give me credit, because cost me out some of this and some of that. So I run against him business, what's that?
Why? I'm good still, man, I know. I'm working good still, isn't it? I'm good still, man, isn't it? I'm hoping command soon, man. God knows.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my number?
Yeah, me have a number,
If anything you call me, here.
Boy.
That's why you would.
Give me this. Just try. Come on. One. Hello. What do you mean by a hoodies? You have by girl where they come over to talk to boy with 15,000 credit. Right now it seems like he gone mad or something, you know. And if you have nothing to do with it, please me I beg you. And do it, please. Because I can't take this no more. Eh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, but something wrong with him, man. Allow me phone. Yeah, but me not having money right now, so when we get the money, me link you. And just please. So how much? Me have to double it. Man, right now whatever it takes, me double it. Me I'll triple it, but just fix him, please. You bring back...
Make him bring back my money. Yeah, make him bring back my money. I mean, start all of my money.
Alright, me I go bring back. Me I go bring your money, conk you. Me I go give you money, but please, me I beg you. Just fix him. Please.
Yeah, man, that's how it is, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Jesus Christ. Boy. Give me up, you think you can't match no more them. Let you go. Boy. Jesus Christ. Come on, I'm wrong. What am I feeling? Come on. Go on. Me I come here. Fling on slippers.
Boy, me I tell you rough. No, no see that me general. Listen, man. You have to know the tricks in the game. You cannot be listen. How you make the game?
You come on 5 phone.
Hold on there, my top shot. My son talks here. Yeah, man, no call back, man.
Question, when last you from boy?
Boy, you know, from the last time boy come check me. To do a little transfer to him, little catty. In catty, they don't must tell the man they lock down in catty. You know, you say find a nice,
Why?
sweet girl and call him by the phone. Me, girl voice sweet. Yeah, what you man for?
You ever see me lock your house and come out with the key?
No?
Me I say lock up boy over there in my house. Boy look like a mad out. You hear me say? Mad out.
What do you mean? Then the man they can't mad out, man. What you talk about? Then the man that general.
Boy. Much night now me asleep, me I get the same dream. Find this white, find this man not this white, one Rasta man. How boy if you come back in 15.
Oh, hi man.
I think I saw your name right on the paper where you didn't give me a number fan. Oh, listen, just listen, man, listen. How you want back in 15,000 credit card? It turns out that boy scam me man too.
Boy, I idiot.
Are you teach him? Are you?
Listen, me teach him. Me never tell you scam up your man. How you will scam up your man?
Jesus face.
You should have told him I want to circle.
You and you teach him to scam. You used to do in me as work. Or if somebody a build one house, you can go help deck money. For you introduce him to the scamming business.
Let me teach you something. Let me teach you something.
Listen, no, you listen now. See what happened to you now? Turns out that the same girl we are talking about is by sweet. The same girl scamming me 2,000 US. I hit mad amount over there. You hear? You see, same 2,000 US we are sent to a girl for him. I scam the girl, scam him. Yeah, me I say?
I'm telling you that did happen to me one time, but it's a man.
Let me tell you something.
But he make a woman chicken. Listen to me, I say now. You see, boy, me believe in that game, yes. But if you have look of God in your heart, if you need to have look of God in your heart, he will reach that position because pastor, a thief too. And in the mother, when you throw a collection plate, and pastor preach, and when pastor say $5,000 bill and $1,000 bill and load up in that the collection plate, then pastor sweat, pastor start wiping his face and I wonder what kind of vehicle he might go buy a man in. When you see that the collection plate, boy, are you idiot?
Well,
boy, should have pray at the same time too. When you're scamming people, you pray after you have a little conscience and that fuck him up.
And me have to tell her say, boy, mad out. And you see the same high man business there. I call him look a while, ask me if he can bring back my cousin because I want back my cousin. No matter how annoying in the stay, I want him back. So me have to pay him back his money. And you know, 15,000 and you know when you do double it, so come.
Listen,
Come.
Listen,
come.
I told me you said dead back there, you know.
It doesn't matter.
But you put on too much weight.
It doesn't matter. For my life, I put on weight, you see.
No. I stress weight that.
You can't tell me nothing about stretch.
I lazy weight that.
Why you know about stretch?
Me didn't know they put on weight because from that the man they are feeding and do nothing yard. They go put on weight automatically. So how much money you owe the man?
30,000. No, I'm at 45,000. Like 15,000 for me walk come over here, so.
Hello, you just come here and tell me, say, the high man, he drop the man 15,000.
And the man double it.
Yeah, in double it. So what double mean? 30,000.
Yes, me I put my 15 because me have to run up and down with him. I take my handbag and sit there, me have a throw over all players. So me I put my 15 pan. You hear me tell you came in this. You. All I blame them for you.
We can't say a question.
Hurry up and pay me money.
We can't say a question. You buy me good. Me look mad to you. I go and transfer 15,000 from your account and you go draw that. And so when time boy come back, tell him if you put on the game, go to church.
Yeah, transfer. Go. You see, if I not give me the 15,000, just give me the 30.
Alright, I'm saying the 30. You know, so later you come work out the 15. Do we check high man and make your whole rotten?
You're not going to go check high man. You're not going.
And tell him so when he come to senses, if you go pray.
When he come to senses, I don't want him nowhere around you.
No, I'm done with the game, mama. I'm done with the game.
So if I don't know the way, introduce him to it for?
No, me never done with it them time. Me done with it.
You know, later.
No. Because me say mad out. Me done. Me I go to church and man go baptize.
Make sure.
So tell him say make sure me see my church when he come back. You look good still. Yeah, young lampshade body. Watch it. Oh, back again. You got it. Here up. I'm here up. Sure. Woo.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo, David and Aida.
Okay, yeah. Curious eating JAMMIWOOD. Yeah, yeah. One king. Let them know. Who love best, yeah. Who love best, I say. Who love best, yes. Who love best, I say. Who love best. You enjoy see people crying. You get amused by that. But you say you're climbing up to the top, but you're gonna fall right back. You got a joy, but when you destroy people mentally, take the money and play them like them a dolly. You're crazy boy, you're a crazy boy. Oh, what goes around comes around, and karma is not a toy. You deceive, receive, but now you end up with a short sleeve. You didn't know who lost love best, yeah, yes. Who lost love best, I say. Who lost love best, I say. Who lost love best, I say. Who lost love best, 'cause life is nothing but a test, oh yes. Yeah. So you think you're gonna get away? You thief money to make a better day. But what happened when the table is turned? And the lesson's too hard for you to learn. And you
On your phone now? Hello. Hello. Hi, man. You hear me?
Yeah.
You can't come for your money, you know. You have your money. And just please, care something you say you have.
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, we have your money. 30,000.
Now come up there.
Alright.
Kim.
You're right.
You see this? Look at Mark. Come back. And make him drink off the one of the sea world here.
Make him drink it off?
Make him drink it off. I know you can make him drink that, but make him drink off for like. You know, chatting more things.
Never want to know chatting with you.
Say, oh, no, do think him doing thing. Him sure I know I'm could do. I could kill him. You hear me say I could do?
Alright. Bye. Hello? Yo. Yes, you see one of me there tell about? You see him high man, you see him over man business. You know what I say? I pay him back in money and he give me one come back sitting. I come back for him drink and he say, me have to make him drink a whole light. So I go away if you can help me hold him down for him drink because you know he not go drink it so. Right now, you know? Alright. Come.
Come in now.
Wait. Drinky.
Give me come on.
Don't be drink a whole lot.
What is that something there? You sure you want?
That's alright, Panny. Come back.
Yeah, put him over yourself.
Put him for that.
Give me come on, man. Put him for
Put him for that. I said, look like you knock him out.
Can you sleep, man? That's cool. Can you sleep? You're good different, you do?
Good.
Alright, so if anything else they come, make him sleep, man, or something. If anything, I'm going to check for him tomorrow.
Yeah. Tom's there?
Yeah, man, no problem.
How go on now? Are you that fella? Yeah. How are you? You did fun and I'm good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So what is your man?
Right now, I'm glad to you come back to your senses, dog. What do you mean? You say you're gone over that little thing there. Made mash up because I let me whole of my money I left me in a bankrupt then. The whole of my money now, the worst thing too, they tell me say I give me it back. I'm there expect it at the end. I'm go check my virgin and I tell me say yo, yeah it's gone. So that mash up my brain that right now me in a bankrupt. You left me in a spot where it's sticky. So you do your life and now you come back, yeah? Your home, your most people there now.
Boy, don't know you, my tell yourself and that, you know, you see me. You know, I'm a big girl, so right now, I have woolly for somebody to pay back. Right now, I'm doing it all like scamming thing, all like crazy thing. You know, I'm nothing like that again. You know, I'm not to do that again. You see me? Woolly for people in the home, I have you to pay back. I have that, the other man, everything, have everybody to pay back. You see me? Right now, I just have to look at the business and set the things straight. You see me? You know, I'm nothing like that again.
I read here, man, because right now, when you hear say gone dog, yo, I really feel away, yo. And I tell you, God, no. I feel away for me, so when I'm breaking, and I know, so, yo, that man that is straight, and yet just gone. Most of the time, yo, I see that, I feel away in my heart, you know that. Because look how they tell you, with that man, them attack you. Man, them attack you, say, yo, look at that.
True, man.
And you just say, I purse you, I say, you're right. All the money you borrow, I not even talk about this, you know, money I'm lending. I go in a bankrupt, I have to borrow things still, because that day, you them have to eat food, and that day, them have to pay me your school fee. And I use me account check, and me see it gone. You use out all your money for food, scam, you get scam. And you know what thing too, you learn a lesson. Because nothing bad in the last too long, you know, if I say it go. But nothing bad in the last too long. Nothing in the last too long overall. You see me? So I'm glad that happened to you, so you learn a lesson, say, watch it, live with that. Just try to make some honest money right now and be right to it, the right thing.
That now the money.
See me?
Yeah, man, as me and say, make a big mistake, you see me? And I learn me to find a mistake, you see me?
Yeah.
As me say, me just go look at work, you see me? Pay back home if you pay back. Make you get back here, feed up piece of food. And everything just...
No, pressure is still no.
But you see me, you know, like cool people surround me, so me just have a look at work. Make you get back here, you know, and let me just take my things straight, you see me?
Yeah, I really
I don't know.